Right, you can solve this titration calculation, and I'm going to do this in a spare paper to start with. So you start with a student was given 200 centimeters cubed of solution X, in which sodium hydroxide and sodium hydrogen carbonate were both being dissolved. The student carried out 2 different titrations. Sample X using 0.1 mole per decimeter cubic of sulfuric acid. In the first titration, both sodium hydroxide and sodium hydrogen carbonate were neutralized. In the second titration, only sodium hydroxide was neutralized. So those are the results for the table. You got 25.5 centimeters cubic for both and 18 for just sodium hydroxide. So look at the question now. Number 1, calculate the amount in mole of sulfuric acid used to neutralize only the sodium hydroxide of solution X. You start by working out moles equals to 0.1 times 18 divided by 1000, which gives you the result of 0.0018 moles of H2SO4 used neutralized. So calculate concentration of sodium hydroxide. Calculate concentration in mole per dm cubed of sodium hydroxide in solution X. So to solve this problem, we need to know how many moles of sodium hydroxide are there. So to do the moles of sodium hydroxide, you look at the ratio, which is 2 to 1. So look at that ratio. So therefore the moles of sodium hydrogen carbonate will be 0.0018 times 2, which equals to 0.0036 moles of sodium hydroxide used. So to work out concentration, we need to do mole equals to concentration times volume divided by 1000. So moles is going to be 0.0036 equals concentration times the volume, which is 25 divided by 1000. You rearrange this, and that should give you concentration of concentration will be 0.144 mole per dm cubed as the answer. If you don't know how to rearrange this equation, I'll just show you how to do it. You take this, you multiply by that, and divide by that. So if you put 0.0036 times 1000, that will get rid of that 1000 there, equals to that times that. So if you divide that by 25, will give you the concentration.